in the brush. He's in the brush. Spooky, if you remember where Ronald was shooting at you while you were standing up, that's exactly where K-Man is right now.
Say again, where's K-Man?
Move to the right, right around.
Watch out for John behind the barrel.
Hit once! Hit once! Ah, good kill. Who's that? Who's that? I got you. You got John. Come on! Stick your head up there, damn it! I kill you, Gideon! I kill you! One! Go.
Johnny back in.
There you go.
We got the back.
Cover that side. Cover that side.